Average function in Excel is pretty easy to use. It adds all the numbers in the selected range and then divides the grand total by the count of the numbers provided. You can only average numeric values. The syntax of average function in Excel is to just say equal to average and then provide the numbers number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3. Or else you could just say equals average and then select all the cells which you want to average, like average of A1 to A10. Do you use the average function in Excel? Well, managers and business owners often ask executives about the average sales or the average revenue or average salary or the average number of tickets resolved. Anytime you want to find the average of anything, even average of the time spent on phone calls, well, anything numeric can be easily averaged in Excel. Learn more about Excel systematically. Join our Excel Essentials from Beginning to Pro training program. Master Excel step by step through video tutorials, exercise files, challenge exercises, and you can watch it anytime, anywhere. Simply visit www.excelchamp.net/essentials and join the training program. Thanks for watching. All the best.